In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search with multiple keywords in Outlook. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find emails that match several terms at once, even if they're spread across different folders. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Outlook. From the results, click the official Outlook website to open your mailbox in the browser. Once your mailbox loads, look to the very top of the page for the search bar. This bar runs across the header in Outlook on the web and is where every search begins. Click inside the search bar to activate it, then look for the filter icon, which looks like a small funnel near the right side of the search area. Clicking this opens the Advanced Search panel. This panel is where you can be precise, and it's the key to making multiple keyword searches work the way you want. In the panel, find the option labeled Search In. Click it, and choose All Folders. Selecting all folders ensures your search includes your inbox, sent items, archive, and any custom folders you've created. This prevents you from missing emails that were moved, filed, or sent. Next, go to the Keywords field. Here's where you'll enter multiple terms. Type the words you're looking for example, project and test. Outlook understands operators, so use AND to require both words to appear, or to include either word, and put quotes around a phrase for an exact match, like project kickoff. If you want to exclude something, you can add a minus before a word, such as draft. Keep your terms clear and specific so the results are meaningful. When your keywords look good, click the Search button. Outlook will scan the selected scope and return emails that match your criteria. You'll see results update in the main view. If you don't see what you expect, double-check that all folders is still selected and that you use the right operators in the Keywords field. If you want to tighten things further, the filter panel also includes options like From, To, Date, and Has attachments. These aren't required for a multiple keyword search, but they can help you narrow down a large set of results without changing the core steps. That's it. Open Outlook in your browser, click the search bar, open the filter panel, set Search into all folders, type multiple keywords with the right operators, and click Search. With these settings, you can reliably locate the emails you need, faster and with fewer misses.